okay. It's been about 5 hours. It's still flexible because it takes till the next day to cure for that resin, but this effect is so pretty on this side. It looks like transparent butterfly wings. It's so pretty. But I can tell that the design is pretty, so I'm going to cover this side up even though I really don't want to. I'm using Fast Set. It's this by Counterculture DIY. Working time of 10 minutes, curing time of 2 hours. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, pretty. So it's a little stronger than the previous video that was just alcohol ink, but it's not blobby, which is good. I might could have put one more drop of the pigment paste in there. But they're lovely. Of course, the coasters are kind of flat looking, so I'm going to put a top coat on. See that line in there? The molds came like that, so that's when you have to do a top coat. There's one there too. Right there. But they're pretty. Oh, so pretty. I think the gold was a good choice just to give it a good background color. So what I'm going to do now is I've got 2 ounces of Fast Set. Same as what I used for the gold. It'll set up in 2 hours and it'll give a nice glossy top coat that'll make it look more glassy. Then mix it for 4 or 5 minutes. You can refer to video 1058 for all my mixing, no matter what brand or viscosity. Then I will put each coaster on a little mini lazy Susan, and it spins, and you can use your silicone brush and just do it very easily, and that'll take a ½ ounce for each coaster. And what I do is I'll use a low temp heat gun to like warm it up a little bit, and this is very thick when you mix it up. I haven't mixed it yet, but you'll put it on and you'll make a sweeping C motion. And you'll take it all the way to the edge, but it won't go over because it's thick enough, and if you use a ½ ounce or less, usually ½ ounce for a 5-inch coaster is perfect, then it won't be too much resin where it's in excess of resin where it falls over the edges. So I'm going to mix this up. Back in a second. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Love you all. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Love you all.